everybody, this is my giant ecosystem. We're starting in the corner here with all these plants. And over here is another corner. And guess what? More seeds everywhere. I'll do an update on all the plants up there. The eggshells are degrading quickly. See, look underneath there. That was an eggshell. Now it's almost gone. Just like this one right here. Mushy. These two, these just grow along as you put them in soil. Now, to the flowering plant. These flowers will be like this for a while, and they'll grow bigger and bigger as it gets bigger. It's already getting huge in here, just like this one by it. I think this one started growing faster because this one is growing so fast. Here's the water section. The water level has raised a little bit. But in here, there were cattails. See that green little sliver there? The few cattails. There's a seed. These right here are cattail seeds. They're tiny. That's why these are so small. And along with them growing there is duckweed. And no, it's not shaped like a duck. It's just this little plant that grows on the surface of water. It's pretty much like a tiny water lily, just without flowers. Because all they do is grow roots out, and grow leaves off those roots, and over time they split apart. Either the one that splits will wash down the stream and grow more, or they will become too compact to stay. And right here, broccoli. Hopefully there'll be lots of broccoli in here and food for all these animals. There may not be much animals here, but that's good. That means they're out of here, which is more of a danger because I've seen the centipede here. It's probably because all this moisture, see on the glass? Yes. Lots of grass is growing and meat and different types of wheats. So there's lots of different plants growing. Like the sunflower here. And sadly, the sunflower here is dying. Probably because it got this break here. But the pea plants here are doing really well. Hopefully soon they grow some flowers. So yeah, once they grow the flowers, they can start expanding, and then pea pods will grow, which will cause them to grow even bigger. And then those will fall and spread out throughout this whole thing, which more will grow, and so on. Grass here is mainly growing fast, not because it doesn't have any herbivores, but because I'm breaking little pieces every so often off like this. Take a little piece, then you rub it as you go around, which releases pheromones from the grass, telling the plants around it that there's a herbivore, even though there isn't, making them growing faster, and that prevents them from just falling on the ground. Right here, there's more broccoli. Still no flowers from this waterbed plant. Over there, here's some of the life that lives in here. There's a gnat. There are some red sunflowers. And lots of spiders. As you may see, and I've seen in the other videos, and earlier, an egg sac on one of my shorts. Bye, everybody.